Okay, welcome back. We continue with example 6. You can open page 174. A bus departs from Puchong at 8:25 and arrives in Perai at 13:45. So this is departs. Okay, so this is starting and arrive at 13:45. If the total distance, so this is total distance, 354 is a total distance. Calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour. So you need to find the clue in the question, kilometer per hour. Okay, so the first solution, you need to remember the formula. Okay, the question asks you to calculate average speed. So you must remember that average speed is a total distance over total time taken. So you need to remember this formula. Okay, the total distance we can calculate direct. We take from the information 354 kilometer. So this is total distance. But the hour, the total time taken, you need to calculate from the information. Okay, arrive at 13:45, starting at 8:25. Okay, so let we calculate the time taken. Okay, 13:45. This is hour, this is minute. Okay, minus 8:25. Okay, so we will get 20 minutes. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, so we get 5 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, but the question asks you calculate in kilometer per hour. So this is hour and minute. So how to change in hour only? So kita nak hour saja. Okay, so how to calculate? From the minutes, okay, so this is 5 hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes we need to change in hour. Okay, so how to calculate? You must remember 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so from 1 hour change to 60 minutes, you need to multiply, right? 60 multiply with 60. So if you need to change in minute, 2 hour, you need to divide by 60. Okay, so how to change 5 hour 20 minutes? So 20 minutes you need divide by 60 untuk dapatkan dalam unit hour. So 20 divide by 60. So 20 divide by 60, you will get 1/3 hour. Okay, so total time taken here is 5, 1/3 hour. Okay, so look at here. So it substitute 5/1/3, 1/3. So 1/3 is equals to 0.33 hours. So 5.33 hours. So kilometer settle, hour pun settle. So you calculate by using calculator, you direct, you will get 66.42 kilometer per hour. So you need to use this formula. 1 hour, 60 minutes. Change from minute to hour, you need to divide by 60. Okay, recall again 1/3. If we press calculator, okay, 1/3 is equals to 0.333. So that's why the book using 0.333. Okay, so we continue with the next example. We look at example 7. Okay, the speed limit on jalan persekutuan is 90 km per hour. So dia dah bagi dalam unit 90 km per hour. The question asks you to convert this speed to meter per second. Meter per second. Okay, so how we convert this unit? Okay, so first, okay, what we need to do first, okay, I will copy paste the question. 90 kilometer per hour, I put as a fraction per hour like this. Okay, so per hour, that means the denominator must be 1 hour. Okay, So kita nak tukar ni meter per second. So what we need in our mindset is kilometer we need to change in meter. Hour we need change in second. Okay, so after that we need to recall our previous lesson. That's 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Right. Okay, so kilometer change to meter, we need to multiply 1000 from, okay, if we need to calculate meter to kilometer, we need to divide by 1000. So this formula we need to use. Okay, for hour and second. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Minutes. Okay, and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Okay, so if we need to calculate from hour change to second, so we need to multiply 60 and 60 times 60 times 60. Okay, from second to hour, we need divide by 60, divide by 60, like that. Okay, so by using this information, let me substitute in the question given for question A. Okay, 19 kilometer. So now kilometer, we need to change in meter. We need to multiply by 1000 times 1000. So we get meter. Okay, 1 hour. So 1 hour times in second, we need to multiply with 60 and 60. Okay, like this. Nampak tak macam ni? So, kamu tekan calculator, you press calculator, you will get similar answer with the textbooks 25 meter per second. Okay. So, in question B, okay, kilometer per minute. So, this is different for question B. Okay. Same question, 19 kilometer per 1 hour, but we need to change in kilometer per minute. Kilometer per minute. So, we need to change in kilometer in minute. Okay. So, that means kilometer change to kilometer. No need to change because the unit is same. So, we need to change hour to minute only. Okay. So, 19 kilometer. Okay, already done. We no need to change the unit. But for 1 hour, okay, if we look at this timetable, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to change in minute, we need to multiply by 60 only. So we multiply by 60, we will get minute. So you substitute in the calculator 90 divided by 60, you will get 1.5 kilometer per minute. Okay, next we continue with example 8. Okay, convert 120 meter per second to kilometer per minute. Okay. So, I copy the question. 120 meter per second. Okay, meter per second. Change to kilometer per minute. Okay, so this is the question for example 8, right? Okay, I need to substitute for question 8. This is question 8. Okay, what we realize now, meter change to kilometer. Okay, so kilometer to meter multiply 1000. Meter to kilometer divide by 1000. So, for this solution is 120 must be divided by 1000 to get the unit kilometer. Okay, divide by second. Second to change in minute. Okay, minute to second, we need to multiply 60. Second to minute, we need to divide by 60. Okay, so we divide by 60. That means 1 divide by 60 minute. Okay, so if you calculate by using calculator, okay, let's say I show you the calculation. 120 divide by 1000, right? Okay, sorry, cikgu nak buat bracket dulu. Okay, cikgu buat bracket for this one. 120 divide by 1000 to get unit kilometer, and then close the bracket, right? Tengok sini. And then cikgu divide lagi sekali, cikgu buatkan satu kurungan 1/60. 1 divide by 60. Like this, macam ni. So we press, kita akan dapat 7.2 km per minute.